today's craft, we're making holiday gift tags. These are ones I made a little while ago, and I'm just going to show you how to create something like this using the fuse tool. So this is by We Are Memory Keepers, and this tool is like a heating tool, and it melts plastic. So you can create like a really nice little seam like around the card, and so it's really great for making shakers. You can do like separation lines for photos. This is just a heavyweight sheet protector that I got from like a huge pack from Costco, and it's so cheap. I don't even remember how much it was, probably like $25 for 500 or something. But I just have these. So they're the really heavyweight ones. You don't want the really thin ones. And the clearer the better. I think We Are Memory Keepers also sells a plastic sheeting to go with the fuse tool, but I mean, when I saw it at Ben Franklin, it looked pretty much the same, and it's like way more expensive. So, especially for something like a gift tag, like it doesn't have to be like super thick, you know. So I'm just doing really simple ones. What you're gonna need is the sheet protector, some cardstock to go inside, some stickers, some cardboard to do your project on, and the tool. You can also make it clear. I've done like bookmarks and some other things, and it looks really cute clear. Oh, you also need some stuff to put inside. So this is what I just got these from the dollar spot at Target, like last year or a couple years ago. Just any kind of confetti will do. This one I used some fake snow, but I'm not going to do this one. I left that upstairs. And I'm going to use some stamps. So I have this set, the block, just to put the wording on the top. Okay. So what I want to do, I'm just using this cardstock, small cardstock. I'm getting the red, and I want to make a 3x3 card. So I'm just gonna cut it with the paper cutter. So 3, 3. I didn't want to make it too small because I want to have enough space for the sticker and the season's greeting, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space for the hole. I'll show you 2 ways. Okay, so we have the 2. I'll make 2 times. Just do something simple like Santa.
It's another Christmas time without you.
So I'm going to get my acrylic block. Oh, one thing to note, that when you use the fuse tool, it takes a while to heat up. So I usually plug it in half an hour before I'm going to use it. That way it's evenly hot and it just makes a nicer seam. Sometimes if you use it too quickly, it's like, I don't know, it just doesn't look as nice. When it's evenly hot, it makes like, it's almost like stitch. I'm just gonna take the season's greeting. like to put the ink pad on top and dab it on. And then these clear blocks are so good because you can see right through the places. And then leave a little bit of space for either your eyelet or the hole punch.
It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now through that creaky old door.
Just gonna let that dry really quick. Some side. So I found that it works really well when you have cardboard, but not the bumpy corrugated line type, because it, I don't know, once you go through it with this, it kind of presses into it and the lines come out and it just makes a bumpy line. So the smooth type is nice, and you know, we always have some laying around. So what I'm gonna do is I want to have an even line all the way around. So I'm gonna use, the tool comes with this ruler. I guess you're supposed to run it through here, but I don't see how that works because this little thing is not really wide enough to get good pressure. So I don't use that. I'm just gonna use the outer edge. So make sure not to touch the tip, very hot. And when you first get this, you're gonna have to play around with it. Just experiment with the amount of time, like the speed, the pressure it takes to get a nice seal on your plastic, because every plastic is different. Slow and steady is good.
It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold you so close.
So like you see here, I missed a couple spots right there, but this part is good. And we only need 3 inches, so I'll work with that. And I'm gonna make a seal over here.
Watch the sun go down, then the moon appear. We'll eat mince pies and drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer like we just love to do. Oh baby,
And you can test your seal. Stick your hand in and run it along. So that's good. That'll hold in all the confetti. Like this part, you can see it's not sealed. So we're not going to use that part. Now you're just going to stick your card in into the corner. So it's right against that corner that you made. And now that the cardstock's in there, you can use that instead of the, well, to be honest, I like to still use the metal tool, just so I can really press in there. I don't go like this, I kind of go like this and press so that it doesn't catch on this part. Okay, so we're gonna seal this side. So you have 3 areas sealed.
Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you.
Just gonna trim all the way around. I'm not cutting on the seal, just like I need to do one more for the other one. since this seal wasn't good, we're gonna do another one.
There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town.
You can actually do any shape you like.
Everyone is inside.
I've seen people use cookie cutters,
They're getting
metal
ready
ones,
to
and then
eat
using
by the table.
either this pizza wheel cutter
I keep
or
one empty seat.
it also comes with a pointy tip.
For you're not here.
You can go around the cookie cutter and then make whatever shape you want. Or you just use the cardstock and then cut whatever the cardstock in whatever shape you want, and then you can just go around that. Like this cardstock is a little too thin. Like I still kind of want to use the ruler to make sure I don't go over the paper. So I have two sides made. I'm gonna test the seal. That looks
red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer, like we just love to do. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time.
This is the fun part. You can just
I want Christmas time with
do whatever confetti and glitter you want. I like to change up different sizes and textures.
For just one little thing,
I'm gonna stay open.
it's something.
But yeah, just a little goes a long way with these things.
To see you
I'll show you an
walk on
example.
in here now.
I use fake snow and I put too much, you cannot even see the sticker. That's not what you want to do, right?
Anything more. If it stopped me feeling sad, hurt and blue. Oh,
So
baby,
this one is just Christmas trees and
Christmas time with you.
hexagons. And this one has silver with
Christmas
these little snowflakes.
I want Christmas time with you. Like Christmas should be.
I think this is good enough. You can go like really fancy if you want. This is just for small gifts that I'm handing out. So it doesn't have to be really complex. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and seal the fourth edge. So same thing,
There's a thick white
nice
blanket
and slow.
covering all of this town. Everyone is inside. They're getting ready to eat by the table. I keep one empty seat. For you're not here. What can I do?
So the two ways that I've been putting the hole in is I have this really tiny little heart hole punch. It's not the usual size, it's a little bit smaller. Because I'm just making these to give out for little gifts. I don't really want to put that much effort or like expense into it, like you're probably just gonna throw it away, so you know. But so I'm making this tiny little hole. It just happened to be heart shaped. But you want the hole small enough where the confetti and things won't just fly out. I mean, if you don't care if it does, then that's fine. You can use a regular hole punch, so it's totally okay. The second way is if you want a more professional look, we can do an eyelet. So I have this set that I bought on Amazon. It's so good. It comes with tons of eyelets. These in different colors. Came with gold. I might just use the gold ones. They're small. I use these a lot for the bookmarks that I make. The shaker bookmarks, and they look really nice. You just need one eyelet, one backing. And this one comes with a hole punch. Making in the corner. You punch a hole. Flip it around, and you can see one side has a movable portion. You put that on the front and then gently push down. There we go. So this just looks a little more professional, like you put a little more effort into it. And I have this string. I'm gonna do just about that much. You can make it however long you want. So I'll do 2.
Everyone is inside. They're getting ready to eat by the table.
I fold it in half, make a loop.
I keep wanting to sit.
Go through the front.
For you're not here. What can I do? It's another
And then
Christmas time.
whatever gift you want, you can tie it on there. So because I like to pre-make these, like I did like a whole bunch. What I did was I just made stickers to stick on the back, and this was easy. Totally print and cut on the Cricut. You can make tons at a time, and then I just stuck it on the back. That way, because this takes the most amount of time, and you might even want to make for like next year, you know, just make a whole bunch since you have all this stuff out. And yeah, just do the little label, or you can just use the ones that you buy at the store too, and that works because it's like 3 by 3. It's a good size for a regular label. But yeah, so this is how I make my gift tag, my shaker gift tags, out of sheet protectors and using the fuse tool. I think I'll do more or film more projects with this because this thing is so cool. You can do so much with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
For just one little